बोले गणपति भगवान की जय। भवानी शंकर भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। बाल कृष्ण लाल की जय। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। तस्मै नमः परम कारण कारणाय दीप्तो ज्वलज्वलित पिंगल लोचनाय नागेंद्रहार कृतकुंडल भूषणाय ब्रह्मेंद्र विष्णुवरदाय नमः शिवाय। Together, let us start the world's most popular song, Hanumanji Chalisa, to bring joy and bliss in our lives. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raja Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Barno Raghubar Bimal Jasu जोदायक फलचार। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मुहि हरहु क्लेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिन्हु लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ भद्र और ध्वजा विराजे कान्हे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिया भरत संभाए। सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जान। युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु दियो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जलति लांघि गए अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज संभालो आपै तीनों लोक हाथ ते कापै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरै
हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे।
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे,
तासु अमित जीवन फल पावे।
चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है,
पर सिद्धि जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के कमल कवार,
असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे,
अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता,
असवर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा,
सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा।
तुम्हारे भजन राम को भावे,
जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाहि,
जहाँ
जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई,
और देवता चित्त न धरहि,
हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करहि, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीर,
जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा
करो गुरुदेव की नाई,
जो सुख पार पाति कर कोई,
जो तई बंदी भास कोई,
जो यह पर हनुमान चालीसा होय,
सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा,
तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा,
की जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा, की जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा, की जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा।
पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय में बसहु सुरभूप। बोले पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, सिया भज रामचंद्र की जय हो। So, namaskar everyone, hope all of you are well, and welcome to Shanti Satsang, another beautiful Sunday evening here in Brampton at least, and wherever you're from. I hope you're having a beautiful evening, ready to wrap up your weekend and begin your Monday morning as usual. We will have the girls do 2 bhajans as usual before we start. It is, I know, an unusual time to start Shanti Satsang, but of course there are commitments that we all have to fulfill, and today was a pretty long day for us, Mandir outside and puja in the afternoon. But we are here with you, and you are here with us, and that is what matters. So glad to see you still online to join with us in Satsang. So we will have Bhumika will sing first, and then after that Vrinda will sing bhajan, and we'll continue.
जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, 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 जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल। मन तेरा बोले राधे कृष्णा, तन तेरा बोले राधे कृष्णा, तन तेरा बोले राधे कृष्णा, जीव तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा, मुख से निकले राधे कृष्णा, मुख से निकले राधे कृष्णा, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल। पलक तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा, अंक तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा, अंक तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा, आंख तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा, सांस तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा, सास तेरे बोले राधे कृष्णा। जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल। दरकन बोले राधे कृष्णा, दर्पण बोले राधे कृष्णा, दर्पण बोले राधे कृष्णा। अंतर बोले राधे कृष्णा, रोम रोम बोले राधे कृष्णा, रोम रोम बोले राधे कृष्णा। जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, 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 जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल।
Radha Raman Hari Bol, Radha Raman Hari Bol. This beautiful form of Shri Krishna called Radha Raman, a very different form of the Lord, very little, very tiny. लेकिन ये राधा रमन है, the beloved of Radha. Radha Raman, the beloved of Radha. This is a love that we as human beings find it difficult to understand because it goes beyond the physical, it goes beyond the presence, it goes beyond our understanding. Radha Raman Bhagwan. Vrinda will sing now. And this afternoon, actually, this evening, I'm going to have a bhajan sandhya where we sing bhajans and then I'll explain little meanings and bring it into life, what it means to all of us. So I hope you stay back and you enjoy. It's a very nice Sunday evening here and we have so much for ahead of you.
रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया। रघुकुल नंदन कब आओगे, रघुकुल नंदन कब आओगे, बिरनी की डगरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया। मैं शबरी बिलनी के जाए, भजन भाव नहीं जानो रे, राम तुम्हारे दर्शन के हित वन में जीवन पालू रे। चरण कमल से निर्मल कर दो, चरण कमल से निर्मल कर दो, दास की जो परिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया। रोज सवेरे वन में जाकर फल चुन चुन कर लाऊंगी, अपने प्रभु के सन्मुख रख के से भोग लगाऊंगी, मीठे मीठे बेरन की मैं, मीठे मीठे बेरन की मैं, लाई में चबरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया। सुंदर श्याम सलोनी सूरत नैनन बीच बसाऊंगी, पद पंकज की रजी धर मस्तक जीवन सफल बनाऊंगी। प्रभु जी मुझको भूल गया क्या, प्रभु जी मुझको भूल गया क्या, दास की डगरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया। रघुकुल नंदन कब आओगे, रघुकुल नंदन कब आओगे, विननी की डगरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया, रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया।
That was a beautiful song done by the girls. I'm inviting all of you friends, as you know, Sunday, next week Sunday, 23rd of August, we are celebrating at the temple 150 days of Shanti Satsang. And I'm inviting all of you, I want to see all of you in the Brampton surrounding areas, Kitchener, Waterloo, Toronto, everybody to come out and let us bring a beautiful end to a consecutive series of Shanti Satsang. The 150 days will actually fall on Thursday, as you know, Thursday, August 20th. That is 150 days. I want to call it 150 days yajna. I want to call it 150 days of penance. I would like to call it 150 days of family time, of love. But whatever name we chose to give it, it's 150 and it means a lot to us. So, because it's a Thursday and people are limited with traveling on Thursdays, we're going to celebrate it on the Sunday morning at the temple from 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the temple. I hope you can come and celebrate with us. And bring your friends and family, bring the press, bring anybody who you think may add value to this. But it is quite an accomplishment by our temple, by our mandir, to have brought peace and solace to our community for 150 nights. I'm trying to get our community leaders to come out. I don't know who will and who will not come out, but we're going to try to make this a very meaningful event. So tonight, before I start, I'm going to sing some nice old songs tonight. Some of my dad's favorite songs, and we're going to talk about them because songs, as much as they're enjoyable, they have a meaning in our life. But before we do that, we have two birthdays. I want to say, number one, happy birthday, happy 84th birthday. This is sent by Auntie Chandra and from our temple. And they are celebrating their mother's birthday, Mistress Lakshmide Ramlakhan, who's celebrating her 84th birthday today. Happy birthday, Mataji, Mrs. Ramlakhanji. And greetings, of course, are coming from your 2 daughters and 4 sons, 2 son-in-law and 3 daughters-in-law, 11 grandchildren, and 4 great-grandchildren. Mom, a message from your family. We are very grateful for you being our mom and our dad since the passing of our father 44 years ago. And we admire your strength and courage, and we love you very much and hope you have a blessed birthday. This was was one of those things back then where when, mostly the men would die before the women, tonight. For some reason, I don't want to get into that, but the men would die before the women. And they would sometimes die young, and then what happens? The women were left to become the father and the mother, the provider, the nurturer, the giver, the one who provides in every aspect for the family. And obviously, Mataji here, Mataji Lakshmi Ramlakhan was one of those mothers who provided as a father and a mother for her family. Happy birthday to you. And of course, we hope and pray that you have many more years of happy life, healthy life, togetherness with your children, big family it seems. And we hope and pray that all goes well with you as you celebrate your beautiful birthday. And of course, for birthdays, I know how much, birthday means to many people. And as I said this morning at the temple, when Raja Ramchandra Bhagwan was born, or when he appeared rather in this world, there were so much of preparations for his coming, so much of charity was given, so much of pujas were done to honor his coming in this world, my friends. So we have to celebrate every time it is our birthday. Celebrate in a good way before you celebrate in another way. I don't want to tell you what not to do, what to do, but what we're going to do, my friends, we're going to sing this beautiful song. It's an old song. Ishwar ko jaan bande, Malik tera wahi hai. Ishwar ko jaan bande, Malik tera wahi hai. What is this song saying? Oh man, try to discover God. Every day we go on a discovery trip. We go on a discovery mission, discovering this part of the world, that part of the world. But this bhajan is saying, Ishwar ko jaan bande, Malik tera wahi hai. Kar le tu yaad dil se, har ja mein wo sahi hai. He is the master and you are the servant, of course. Focus your thoughts deeply on him. And he always correct in every circumstance. Bhumi agan pavan mein, sagar pahar ban mein. His presence is felt on the earth, in the fire, in the air, the oceans, and the mountains, and in all the regions of the universe. Na? Usne tujhe banaya, jag khel hai dikhaya. He gave you birth and showered you the drama of the world. Why do you wander aimlessly of life's path, oblivious of him? Your life is getting shorter, the minutes are ticking away. So get to know your God better. Vishiyo ki chhod aasha, sab jhooti hai dilasha. Give up your desires for the things that you see, hear, and taste. The sense of assurance these things give does not last. Life is temporary. Show only your Lord how much you care about him. This is one of my father's, of course, very, very favorite bhajans, Ishwar ko jaan bande. I sing it for our dear mother today as you celebrate 84 years of life. Ishwar ko jaan bande, Bhairavi. Malik tera wahi hai. Kar le to yaar dil se, har ja mein wo sahi hai. Ishwar ko jaan bande, Malik tera wahi hai. Kar le to yaar dil se, har ja mein wo sahi hai. भूमि अगन पवन में, सागर पहाड़ बन में. भूमि अगन पवन में, सागर पहाड़ बन में. सागर पहाड़ बन में, उसकी सभी भुवन में छाया समा रही है. ईश्वर को जान बंदे, मालिक तेरा वही है. उसने तुझे बनाया, जग खेल है दिखाया। उसने तुझे बनाया, जग खेल है दिखाया। तू क्यों फिरे बुलाया, आया बिता रही है। ईश्वर को जान बंदे, मालिक तेरा वही है। विषयों की छोर आशा, सब झूठ है तमाशा। विषयों की छोर आशा, सब झूठ है तमाशा। सब झूठ है तमाशा। दिन चार का विलासा, माया फंसा रही है। ईश्वर को जान बंदे, मालिक तेरा वही है। ईश्वर को जान बंदे, मालिक तेरा वही है। मालिक तेरा वही है। मालिक तेरा वही है। मालिक तेरा वही है। My friends, as we discover every day in our life, let us not forget that your Lord is yours and your God is yours. Happy birthday to you, Mataji. Hope you enjoyed your day, and hope you enjoyed, of course, the rest of the evening. And this evening we have Bhaiji from our temple, of course, Bhaiji Omkar Prasad, celebrating his birthday today, and he celebrates his 60th birthday today. We had a very, very lovely celebration this morning at the temple for him and some of his family and friends. Pretty big family, lots of them in the States. They had planned something bigger, of course, for today, but you know, COVID has changed plans, but things will happen. Bhaiji celebrated his 60th birthday today with his family and friends at the temple, and I was so privileged to be part of that celebration. I know Bhaiji Omkar and Darshani and their children, of course, for many years. I still have the privilege of serving them as their priest. And one of the things when you know, this thing today is lost, this priesthood relationship with families. It is lost, but it is maintained by a few. You know, just like you have the family doctor, the family physician, the family dentist, the family optometrist, the family accountant, you also have a family priest, because they understand the lineage, they understand the customs, they understand your shortcomings, they understand your weaknesses, they understand your everything they understand. And I've had the privilege of serving this family for many years. And we wish to Bhaiji Omkar this morning a very blessed birthday at the temple. The pictures you're seeing are very current. They are of this morning at the temple. As you can see, he has a tremendous family support along with the temple as well. We celebrated and we wished him well. And this evening, we'd like to dedicate part of the program again to you, Bhaiji Omkar. I would like to read that beautiful message that was sent to me by your family. We read it this morning. So on this blessed day, we are all celebrating with Omkar as he has reached a milestone in his life. On behalf of his family, they would like to express how much he means to them. They are grateful and blessed to have such a wonderful husband and father who has tremendously provided for all their wants and needs. Family has always meant a lot to Omkar. He has always shared his stories and memories about his grandmother, Katwarya, and his parents. His father, C. Gopal, and mother, Dhanu. Growing up, he lost his father at a very young age and was raised by his mom to be an educated man with the utmost faith in his religious beliefs. The support and love from his mother is one of the many reasons he has lived such a blessed and successful life. Throughout his years, he has shared love, joy, and laughter, not only with his family, but to his peers around him as well. Omkar is known as a pillar, a beacon of respect, faith, and determination. His family would like to thank him for the amazing life he has shared and provided them. They wish him many more years of life, wealth, and happiness, as his family, Darshani, Ambika, Rajiv, Kavita, Pani, and Chandani. They are there to support him as always and love and cherish his presence. The family would like to thank everyone who came out this morning and who still are watching, of course, the program to wish him a happy birthday. They acknowledge your presence and it is greatly appreciated by them. Happy blessed birthday again to you, Bhaiji, and hope, of course, your rest of the day went well. He's a gentleman and the finest order, and he is, of course, a member of our Mandir, prayerful with his family. So, happy birthday again to you. And this morning we sang one of his songs for him. This evening we're going to sing one of my favorite old songs. This is a song by my father. Acha Ram Bhaiya Mere Pyare Mujhe De De Khara Utare. No, actually we'll sing Nisdin Liya Karo Prabhu Ji Ka Naam later. But now we sing Acha Ram Bhaiya Mere Pyare Mujhe De De Khara Utare. Acha Ram Bhaiya Mere Pyare Mujhe De Do Khara Utare. Acha Ram Bhaiya Mere Pyare Mujhe De Do Khara Utare. Acha Ram Bhaiya Mere Pyare Mujhe De Do Khara Utare. शरण पादों तक पर चढ़ावो, बन के सेवक मैं हुक्म बजावो। चरण पादों तक पर चढ़ावो, बन के सेवक मैं हुक्म बजावो। साल 14 में ऐसे निभावो, जैसे और सेवक है तुम्हारे। अच्छा राम भैया मेरे प्यारे, मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे। साल 14 खत्म करके आना, आंखें जल्दी दर्श दिखाना। साल 14 खत्म करके आना, आके जल्दी दर्श दिखाना। सच जानो ना देरी लगाना, वरना होए प्राण न्यारे। अच्छा राम भैया मेरे प्यारे, मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे। मैं भी भूमि में आसन जमावो, साल 14 में ऐसे निभावो। मैं भी भूमि पर आसन जमावो, साल 14 में ऐसे निभावो। बनवासी का जीवन बितावो, जैसे रहते धर्म प्यारे। अच्छा राम भैया मेरे प्यारे, मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे। अच्छा राम भैया मेरे प्यारे, मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे। अच्छा राम भैया मेरे प्यारे, मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे। मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे, मुझे दे दो खरा उतारे। Happy birthday again, Bhaiji. Hope you enjoyed your day. Hope the girls have spoiled you. I heard you're a little spoiled, Daddy. That's what happens when you have daughters at home. They spoil you. And I hope you had a very, very lovely, blessed one. Happy birthday. Well, we have, I see some new viewers here. We have, let me see who's here. Raji Maharaj. Nice to meet you. We have, of course, acknowledging all our lovely, loyal viewers here. We have Jasodra Maharaj. Jasodra Tara Maharaj from London, England is listening and enjoying the lovely satsang. What time is it in London right now? Well, Jasodra Maharaj, I hope you're enjoying our satsang. And thank you for joining. We have some people from Dallas who are joining as well. Welcome to the program, and hope you guys continue to enjoy. Please feel free to share the program as we're coming down to the end of it. I want to hear how many of you online tonight have listened to or will have listened to, when we finish, all 150 nights of satsang. Now, I would like to hear that because there's some die-hard folks here who are into their satsang and into their bhakti. And I want to hear, so far actually, who has listened, who has tuned in to or listened to all the nights of Shanti Satsang. I want to hear from you. So last night was 145th. Last night 145th. 46, 47, 48, 49. Yeah. Last night was 145th. We have one Behenji from New York, Shanti saw. Every night when the satsang is finished, or during the day rather, she makes a nice card, and she actually, for all the nights, she has made a nice card. And so I keep count with her. So Geeta Rampratap, I know, has listened she has been on all the program. Didi Zuzu. How many of you have listened to all of it so far? It's nice to hear that. Sister Camila, of course, we know that. Saviri Rohini Kilavan, of course, she's been a proponent of our program. So anyway, myself and Uncle were each night so far, Auntie Dana. Anita Parsharan family, there we go. Chandrawati. England, yeah, okay. Baiji Dev, Ali Rampatab. No, replace fine as long as you've watched all of them. Reb Shamnath family, all the nights. Okay, this is something for us to celebrate, and we will do that. 150 nights coming up. Well, what are we going to do? There are a lot of people who missed 1-2 night, and Dan Madhu, I joined late, so only saw 70. Only saw a lot. This is amazing until Chandra told me about it. There we go. I missed one night because I started working. So it looks like most of you watch Didi Shanti missed 2 nights. I missed 1 night. I don't consider 1 or 2 nights missing anything. Come on. That's not missing anything. 1 or 2 or 3 nights out of 146 so far. You missed 2. That's not noticeable at all. I wish I had a little badge to give you guys. Yeah. Savi lost the replay. Savi, you don't like the live action? Oh, not good. Savi. Anyways, there you go. Well, it has been missed 2 nights because of Wi-Fi. Oh, there we go. I like to interact with you guys this way. I know what you're thinking and what's going on in your mind. Well, listen, we're here, 146 nights now, going strong, and we're going to go until Thursday. What I enjoy the most of this whole program, I'll tell you what I enjoy the most, because I want to talk about that. I enjoy the most of this whole program because I got to learn about so many people. When I say learn about you, there were so many of you who are friends here in Canada, Brampton, and so. And I've seen you for so many years, but the thing is, when the program started, your devotion, your commitment, I've never seen that stuff in you, and I saw so much of commitment from people to stay online. I've made so many new friends. Actually, when I say the temple, Bhavani Shankar Mandir, has made so many new friends over the past 146 nights. And because of that, our family has become so big. Our family has become so big. You and I are not friends anymore. I'm not your pandit anymore. I'm not your brother, your Iraqi brother. I'm your family. I am family. I'm in your home. Whether you are living in New York, whether you are living in Florida or wherever, Dallas, I don't know where you're living, in Brampton, in Canada here, I don't know. I'm your family, which means we have created an eternal bond. If you stuck with somebody for 146 nights, 150 nights coming up, it means that you have shared a bond with people. And that, my friends, is something very beautiful. That is something very beautiful. I want to thank you for being there, and we'll continue this journey. But tonight, let's sing some beautiful old songs and celebrate life. There's a beautiful song, Nishadin Liya Karo Prabhu Ji Ka Naam. And I will sing that one later, but somebody says, Panditji, long time they didn't hear Kanha Kandaya Nandalala. Well, Kanha Kandaya Nandalala, that is such a joyful song. You want us to sing Kanha Kandaya Nandalala? This song, see how everyone is engrossed in the dance of Krishna. The dance of life. The dance of life is called the Ras Leela. The dance of life, where God, well, you're not dancing by yourself. Whether you are one or whether there are thousands around you, whether there are hundreds of thousands of you, the Lord is with every single one of you dancing. And when God is with you dancing, that is not a lonely dance, that is not a boring dance, that is not a dry dance, that is not a dance that you will ever get tired of doing. That is the dance of life. And I don't care who you've danced with. I dance in the temple only, and once in a while at friends and family just to show some excitement. But, my friends, that dance with the Lord, that dance with God is a divine ecstasy. I tell you, Janmashtami night, I am not over it as yet. It is just in me, and it is just all over me, Janmashtami right now, because I was up there. I actually took the floor. Everybody stood up. I don't know if you were watching that night, but I got everybody to stand up. And they stood up and they raised their hands up. And when they raised their hands up on Janmashtami night, I told them to shake their hands. And you can see some of them were not doing that for the first time. Some of them were not doing that for the first time. But it was so much fun. You see, when you have that kind of dance. Yes, Sister Oma, I watch you. You were in the front row. You were in the front seat and you were dancing. You and Nal were dancing. I don't know who were there. Mala and Divan, I saw you guys were dancing as well on Janmashtami night. I saw you were dancing, and you know what? When you're dancing for the Creator, you're dancing with the universe, you're dancing with your Creator. And that is a very blessed thing to do. So let's dance with Krishna Bhagavan tonight. Kanha Kandhaya Nandalala. O Murali Wala aise bajaye Murali. Muraliya Jadu Bhari. Kanha Kandhaya Nandalala. Are you going to dance with me, everyone? Are Kanha Kandhaya Nandalala. O Murli Wala aise bajaye Murli. Muraliya Jadu Bhari. Hey! Let me hear you, everybody. Let's clasp our hands and let's clap our hands and dance, everyone. Kanha Kandhaya Nandalala, O Murli Wala aise bajaye Murli. Muraliya Jadu Bhari. Hey! Kanha Kandhaya Nandalala, O Murli Wala aise bajaye Murli. Muraliya Jadu Bhari. Jai Ho Nandalala. देखो कुंवर कन्हाई है कैसी रास रचाई, ऐसे तान सुनाई है सुध बुध सब बिसराई। बाता उचैल निराला, बाता उचैल निराला, ओ मुरली वाला ऐसे बजाई मुरली। मुरलिया जादू भरी, कान्हा कन्हैया नंदलाला, ओ मुरली जादू भरी। कान्हा कृष्ण मुरारी है, गोवर्धन गिरिधारी हो। कान्हा कृष्ण मुरारी, गोवर्धन गिरिधारी। काहे मटकी पूरी है, सुनते मीठी गारी है। काहे मटकी पूरी, सुनते मीठी गारी। आगे भरे ब्रिज वाला, आगे भरे ब्रिज वाला, ओ मुरली वाला ऐसे बजाए मुरली, मुरलिया जादू। कब हंस कान्हा कन्हैया नंद लाला, ओ मुरली वाला ऐसे बजाए मुरली, मुरलिया जादू भरी है। माखन चोर दुलारा, नटखट सबका प्यारा। माखन चोर दुलारा, नटखट सबका प्यारा। मनमोहन मन भावन, नाम रते जग सारा। मनमोहन मन भावन, नाम रते जग सारा। माधव मुकुंद मत वाला, माधव मुकुंद मत वाला, ओ मुरली वाला ऐसे बजाए मुरली, मुरलिया जादू भरी। कान्हा कन्हैया नंद लाला, ओ मुरली वाला ऐसे बजाए मुरली, मुरलिया जादू। ओ मुरलिया जादू भरी, मुरलिया जादू भरी। बोले श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय। कान्हा कृष्ण मुरारी, गोवर्धन गिरिधारी. The Lord, the little Lord, the little Krishna that brought so much joy to our life, he's Govardhan Giridhari. That little Krishna lifted Govardhan mountain for 7 days and 7 nights. He's not a little Krishna, he's not a little boy that is misunderstood. He's Madhav Mukunda. Dance in life, my friends, dance for joy. The outside dances are important. Please, I'm not telling you not to do whatever. That's to satisfy a different dimension of your existence. But when you dance for the Lord, that satisfies, that completes your life when you dance for Krishna. I am praying every day that very soon dancing will occur in our temple for God, not for any reason. You know, many people tell us most of the major temples, the recognized temples, they don't allow tasa in their temples. I hope you know that. And the mainstream temple, our temple, we don't allow tasa in the temple for weddings. I know why we don't allow it for weddings, because people dance indecently. There is dancing where indecent dancing is done. So the temples, outside you can have it and they can do what you want outside, but inside the temple we don't allow tasa. It is because of that, because dancing for God is one thing and dancing for others is a whole different thing. In case you have wondered why we don't do this. So this evening we do that, my friends. We sing some bhajans and we ask the Lord to, of course, be a part of us. Is there any request from any one of you? Any bhajans you would like to hear? Perhaps I can sing it. If I know it, I will sing it for you this evening, and let's have a lot of fun. We were having a discussion today, and they say, Parnaji, you look so very happy on, of course, on Janmashtami night. And I said, I was not happy, I was blissed out. Well, let's sing Main Ek Nanha Sa Chota Sa Bachcha Ho. This is typical West Indian song that every one of us know. Every one of us know. Main ek nanha sa, main ek nanha sa, main ek chota sa bachcha ho. God, I'm just a little child, innocent child. Tum ho bare balwan, Prabhu ji mere laaj rakho. मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हो, तुम हो बड़े बलवान, प्रभु जी मेरे लाज रहो। मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैंने सुना है तुमने यहाँ पे लाखों से दुख तारे, मेरा दुख भी ताल सुजानू चक्र सुदर्शन वाले। मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हो, मुझ पे धरो कुछ ध्यान, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो। मैं एक नन्हा सा, तुमको दयालु अपना समझ के मैंने आज पुकारा, मुझ निर्भल सा हाथ पकड़ लो, दे दो नाथ सहारा। मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हूँ, मैं भी तुम्हारे संतान, प्रभु जी मेरे लाज रखो। मैं एक नन्हा सा, तुम्हारे द्वार पे आस लगाए, ऐसा कोई जतन करो प्रभु, साच को आच न आए। मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हूँ, बिगड़ी बना दो भगवान, प्रभु जी मेरे लाज रखो। प्रभु जी मेरे लाज रखो, 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 प्रभु जी मेरे लाज रखो। And प्रभु जी मेरे लाज रखो, प्रभु rescue me at any time। नदियाँ न पिए कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपने फल। हे नदियाँ न पिए कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपने फल। अपना तन का मन का धन का अपना तन का मन का धन का दूजों में दे जो ध्यान है, वो सच्चा इंसान है, इस धरती का भगवान है। न जिए न पिए कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपने फल। अगर जिसका अंग चले और दुनिया को मीठी श्वास दे, दीपक सा उसका जीवन है, जो दूजों को अपना प्रकाश दे, दूजों को अपना प्रकाश दे। हे धर्म जिसका भगवत गीता धर्म के भी भगवत गीता, सेवा है वेद पुराण है, वो सच्चा इंसान है, इस धरती का भगवान है। नदियाँ न पिया कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी। चाहे कोई गुणगान करे, चाहे करे निंदा कोई, फूल फूलों से कोई सत्कार करे या कांधे जब हो जाए कोई, कांधे जब हो जाए कोई, मान और अपमान ही दोनों मान और अपमान ही दोनों जिसके लिए समान रे, वो सच्चा इंसान रे, इस धरती का भगवान रे। नदियाँ पिया कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए अभी अपने फल, ओ नदियाँ पिया कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपने फल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपने फल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी। This is such a meaningful song. This is such a meaningful song. Nadiyan na piya kabhi apna jal. The rivers do not ever drink their own water. Vriksha na khaye kabhi apne pal. The trees bear the fruits. They don't eat the fruits they give you. Apna tan ka man ka dhan ka dujo mein dero jaan re. Dejo daan re. Your body, if the trees and the oceans can bear fruits and hold the water, not for themselves, but for you, what are we doing, my friends? Apna tan ka, man ka, dhan ka, our mind, our body, our wealth, everything dedicated to the service of others, not to the self. No? And this is the beautiful, beautiful song. And right beside this one is Nahi chahiye rang mahal ka, dhan daulat ki shaan, हम तो मांगे तुझसे मालिक एक संतोष का दान। नहीं चाहिए रंग महल ना धन दौलत की शान, हम तो मांगे तुझसे मालिक एक संतोष का दान, कि घर घर में खुशियाली हो, सदा सुख की हरियाली हो। नहीं चाहिए रंग महल ना धन दौलत की शान, हम तो मांगे तुझसे मालिक एक संतोष का दान। हमको जन्म दिया है तू ही पालनहार, तेरी दया से फूले फले हम सबका घर संसार। तूने हमको जन्म दिया है तू ही पालनहार, तेरी दया से फूले फले हम सबका घर संसार। नहीं चाहिए हीरे मोती, नहीं चाहिए हीरे मोती ना रत्नों की काम, हम तो मांगे तुझसे मालिक एक संतोष का दान, कि घर घर में खुशियाली हो। के बदले दुख देने की अगर भावना तेरी, दुख को सहने की शक्ति दे यही प्रार्थना मेरी। दुख बदले सुख देने की अगर भावना तेरी, दुख को कहने की शक्ति है यही प्रार्थना मेरी। किसी के आगे हाथ न फैलाए, किसी के आगे हाथ न फैला, इतना दे वरदान। हम तो मांगे तुझसे मालिक एक संतोष का दान, कि घर घर में खुशियाली हो, सदा सुख की घड़ियाली हो। नहीं चाहिए रंग महल ना धन दौलत की शान, हम तो मांगे तुझसे मालिक एक संतोष का दान। Those treasures of songs that we see, they bring back so much memory. And Sister Oma says, what Sister Oma says, my dear, you're singing at, it is the eve of last day of Shanti Satsang. No. I'm singing like there is no tomorrow. And because I don't know what tonight looks like and what tomorrow looks like, but I'm glad that I can be, I'm glad I can be your brother. I'm glad I could be your son. I'm glad I could be your friend to so many of you. I'm glad I could have been your priest. And I'm glad I could be, most of all, some form of companion over 146 days so far. You have no idea how touching this is to, I tell, Safi, now you're calling the shots there. I tell you all the time, the close few who are close around me, that I don't know what we have done at the temple or in my life personally to have deserved this friendship from all of you. It has to be some work of the divine that has given you to me and me to you. But whatever that is, I know that God has not, did not make the world and just leave it like that. Coincidences don't happen. We were meant to be like this. And I hope that, the last satsang on August 20th, I don't know how much I'll get to say because, it's an hour. And so I'm starting to say these things as we go closer to the satsang. That I want you to know that you all mean so much to me. And that this is not the end of anything, please. This is not the end of anything. I know, Auntie Leela, it's emotional, but it's not the end of anything. We will continue to be here. And when this COVID is over, I will come visit your city maybe, or your tongue, or wherever you are, and we can probably connect in some way. But I will still have satsang broadcasted live and some otherwise as well. So God has blessed us all so to be this together. Well, why don't we sing Ajandere for sure? Let's finish off with Ajandere, the Guyana National Anthem. Sati just put a seed there, planted a seed. So, do I have Ajandere here? I must have it. Well, I gotta go low with this one. Everybody will sing together because this is the national anthem of our country. आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। भटक भगवन राह दिखा दे। भटक रहे हम राह दिखा दे, भगवन राह दिखा दे। कदम कदम पर किरण बिछारे, भगवन किरण बिछारे हो। कदम कदम पर किरण बिछारे, भगवन किरण बिछारे। इन अखियन को प्रभु करा दे, इन अखियन को प्रभु करा दे। ज्योति से पहचान, ज्योति से पहचान। आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। हम तो है संतान तिहारे, प्रभु संतान तिहारे। हम तो है संतान तिहारे, प्रभु संतान तिहारे। तेरी दया के हम अधिकारी, प्रभु है हम अधिकारी। तेरी दया के हम अधिकारी, प्रभु है हम अधिकारी। दुनिया होवे सुखी हमारी, दुनिया होवे सुखी हमारी। ऐसा दे वरदान, ऐसा दे वरदान। आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। Darkness is the shadow of our life, my friends, and the brightness of Surya. Surya is Bhagavan. Surya is not only the sun that you think about. Surya is Bhagavan. God is the light that shatters those moments of darkness, whether they are clouds or sorrows or troubles or sickness. God is the cure. God is the cure to everything. Sorrow moments, my sorrowful moments, people, whatever it is that comes in your way. The only thing that is on your way, the only one that is in your way is you. That is a lesson I like to leave with you tonight. If you want to say that something is in your way, someone is in your way, no, no, no. The only one that is in your way, it is you. The only thing that is in your way is your mind. And the only thing that can take that obstacle away from you is you. And so God has to shine. Prabhu has to, of course, bless you. And let us, of course, continue to be loving, kind people. I want to tell you, my friends, that it has been a pleasure in this journey. Auntie Leela, I read all the comments. I read every comment that you write, by the way. I obviously cannot respond to all of them. I read every text that every one of you send me. I read every one of them, but it is difficult, as you would understand, for me to respond to every one of these texts. Auntie Leela just wrote a text that, by the way, Safi, you're welcome. Auntie Leela just wrote a text that you're making me feel Panaji when we were leaving next Melanie Drive. If you don't know, when we left Melanie Drive, which was our former temple, about close to 5 years now, I was actually in New York. It was in the month of January. I went to do a shraddh there. and I had to drive back the Saturday night to meet to the temple on the Sunday morning when we were, it was our final service this Sunday morning. And I couldn't because it was a big, huge storm. So on our way to Sunday morning, I called in from the highway. I pulled over and I called in. And I did a speech on the phone, and I think that's what Auntie Leila is referring to. It was sad because I couldn't be there for the last service, and it was goodbye to our congregation and to that place. But every good thing comes to an end. As I'm saying, on Monday, I don't know how much time I'll have, on Thursday, to do the final things. But I'm inviting all of you to come out on Sunday coming. I want you to come out. Promise me that you're going to come out. Make a note that you're going to come out. Lily Chandra, Josh wrote, my cousin Josh wrote as well that Panaji, nobody can compensate you for what you did. No. And I know what you mean, Lily Chandra. But how you can compensate, show up Sunday at the temple. We have space for everyone. Show up at the temple and just celebrate with us as we conclude this journey and as we begin something new in our lives. So I hope you can show up and celebrate with us. We will say goodbye tonight, and but kabhi alvida na kehna. Don't ever say goodbye, because we will meet again sometime. Tomorrow evening we'll be at the temple. 6 to 7 is puja, and Pandit Bhuvan will lead the satsang from 7 to 8 tomorrow. So 6 to 7 puja. If you're all the regular Monday evening Shivji Bhaktas, tomorrow, please come on out as we do puja. 6 to 7 will be puja, and 7 to 8 is satsang. Pandit Bhuvan will be leading satsang tomorrow, and I will do a little presentation as we have one sponsor tomorrow as well. Bhagwan's blessings. If at all you'd like to sponsor one of the evenings, the remainder of the evenings, please contact us, and we'll be happy to keep you going. Don't forget, my friends, to click the donate button on our website, bhawanishankarmandir.com, and make a donation whenever you desire to do that to the temple. As well, we're not going to make a 150 anniversary days t-shirt, because it's a very short time, and I don't know how many people need this and all that. So I hope you will come out, though, and you will show your gratitude in other ways. A couple of quick things what we're going to say. Yes, visit our website, click the donate button, donate anytime. Invite friends to come on this of course, our Facebook page. And I know many of you are actually not on my Facebook page. You can hop over there and do a friend request, because there are sometimes when, if I'm away or so, I'll do a broadcast on my profile, and I want you to not miss that. So if you can hop over later on to my Facebook and request a friend, I'll confirm you. And our YouTube as well, if you can subscribe to it, we'll be grateful. Let's do prayers tonight, and see you tomorrow evening. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविरध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। प्रेम से बोलो भवानी शंकर भगवान की जय। सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। सबको ये जय जय सीताराम। Jai Sitaram, everyone, and have a blessed night. Tomorrow, many of you are returning back to work in your own way. Have a beautiful week at work, and see you tomorrow evening. Jai Sitaram.